Hi crafty friends, I am coming to you today from my scrapbook room, and I am in the midst of a complete reorganization, rehaul, or not rehaul, redo, moving things around, finding new homes for things and all, so it has been a hot mess in here. So anyhow, I created this cute little backdrop for videos where you're going to see my face. So hope you like that, and you'll see something like that in the days to come. So anyhow, let's get into why I'm here today. This is the Scrapping for Less YouTube channel for the last day, the last time. So I will be doing something different. I will come on tomorrow and give you an explanation of everything that I'm doing, what's changing. I'd like you to give me some feedback. So anyhow, so that's what I'd like you to look forward to. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see what's going to happen and what's going to continue with this channel. Anyhow, today, the final day of Scrapping for Less, I want to give you this cute little video that I put together of it's just a slideshow of pictures of scrapping for less through the years. It's my favorite. It's some of my favorite pictures from when we went to Creativation. We went to Creativation for 3 different years. That, in case you don't know, that is the card making and scrapbooking industry trade show, crafting trade show. And it was in Arizona. We went for 3 different years and took various team members with us. Then also in this video, you'll see a very few of my very favorite cards and some of our brand new products that I was able to create over the last couple of years. Paper pads. I didn't include any stamps, but we've created stamps over the past couple of years, our own line of stamps, our own line of paper pads, our own line of dies. I didn't include all of those. I just included my 2 favorite paper pads that I've ever created. So and then we launched a brand new product line this year with Stacy Tiedemann, my design team coordinator, designed these of Create-A-Dex dies to use in your memory dex holders. So I'm very proud of where Scrapping for Less started and where it ended. So I'm very proud of that. And at the very end of the video, I know I had promised you this months and months ago to give you a glimpse of where I worked every week and Scrapping for Less, what it looked like, how you know, everything. So I give you that glimpse at the very end of the video. So anyhow, I hope you enjoy. It's a very short video, so enjoy, and I will catch you tomorrow when I unveil what is going to happen with the Scrapping for Less channel. Thanks so much for watching, and that's a wrap, friends.